In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import Google Sheets into Monday.com step by step. If you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or organizing client data in Google Sheets, and you want to move everything into Monday.com for better automation and collaboration, this is the easiest way to do it. I'll walk you through connecting your Google account, selecting the right sheet, mapping your columns correctly, and making sure your data imports without errors. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Monday.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, decide where you want your imported data to live. You can either import your Google Sheet into an existing board or create a brand new board for it. To begin the process, look for the plus icon in your workspace. This is usually located in the left sidebar near your Boards section. Click on the plus icon to open the Creation menu. From the menu that appears, choose the Import option. Monday.com will show you several import sources like Excel, CSV, and other tools. Here, select Import Data and then choose Google Sheets from the list of available options. This tells Monday.com that you want to pull data directly from your Google account. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Click the Connect button and a Google Sign-In window will appear. Choose the Google account where your Sheets file is stored. Google will then ask you to grant Monday.com permission to view your spreadsheets. Review the permissions carefully, and once you're comfortable, click Allow. This step is necessary so Monday.com can access and import your data securely. After connecting your account, you'll see a list of your available Google Sheets files. Browse through the list and select the specific sheet you want to import. If your spreadsheet contains multiple tabs, make sure you select the correct tab that contains the data you want transferred into Monday.com. Once selected, click Next to continue. Now comes one of the most important parts of the process, mapping your columns. Monday.com will display your Google Sheets columns on one side and allow you to match them to Monday.com column types. For example, if you have a column with names, map it to a text column. If you have project statuses like In Progress or Completed, map that to a status column. Dates should be mapped to the date column type, and numbers such as budgets or quantities can be mapped to numbers. Take your time during this step to ensure each column matches the correct type. Proper mapping ensures your data functions correctly with automations, filters, and dashboards later on. If Monday.com doesn't automatically detect the correct column type, you can manually adjust it using the drop-down next to each column. Double-check everything before moving forward. This will save you from having to fix formatting issues after the import is complete. Once you're satisfied with the column mapping, click the Import button. Monday.com will begin transferring your data from Google Sheets into your selected board. Depending on the size of your spreadsheet, this may take a few seconds to a minute. After the import finishes, open the board and carefully review your data. Scroll through the rows and confirm that all items have been imported correctly. Check that dates appear properly formatted, statuses are labeled correctly, and numbers are aligned with the right columns. If everything looks good, your import was successful. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Google Sheets data into Monday.com. This process makes it easy to transition from spreadsheets to a more powerful project management system without manually copying and pasting information. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, workflow tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.